Oh, don't. Shit. Oh, whoa, why is there a dog in the road? Why is there a dog in the road? Why? Oh, don't. Shit. Dude, I don't want him to get hit. Alright, where did he go? Ah, there he is. Hey buddy, go home. Do you know where home is? Well, it looks like he made it into this neighborhood. So at least he's out of the street. Poor guy. Oh, what? I managed to go into a one-way little fucking thing here. Ugh. That poor little dog though, I'm glad he made it into the neighborhood and out of like the main road. Hopefully he had like a general idea of where he was going. But I don't know what I would have done if I actually got a hold of him, except like call animal control or whatever. But like, what are they gonna do? They would check to see if he had like a chip or something, and then if he didn't, he'd get put in the pounds. I don't know, it's almost better leaving him out here than to go through that. Is that a mattress? It's a fucking mattress in the road. Holy shit. Dude. Have you guys seen that video online of the freaking mattress flying out of the guy's truck and it like almost hits a motorcyclist? Now that's some crazy shit right there, dude. I would not have wanted to be anywhere near the truck that mattress came off of. What is with stuff being in the road today, man? First we had trash in the road, then we had a dog in the road, now we have broken trees in the road. It's a crazy fucking day. I haven't driven down here since I worked over here. And everything's exactly the same. Nothing has changed. Oh my god, this kid is so cute. X-rays. I'm assuming you're a doctor. Alright, that's my fun for the day. Get off the highway, man. Where did all that wind come from? But as always, like, subscribe, all that shit. Maybe a couple more exciting things will happen. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Let the beat drop.